He doing okay. I mean, not sick, everything, but
He's eating really well. He's playing. He's definitely come a long way, but he's really doing well. So, oh.
Hey, bud. One more flight. Alright, so Persik has made it on his final flight. He just landed in Fayetteville, Arkansas. So he's gonna get to see his mom soon.
Well, I hope having Persik here now will at least be a little bit of comfort, but I know
better life we'll have here.
yeah, he's gonna be spoiled.
Yeah, and much love.
All right, Persik, you ready? He's like, okay, let's go.